Welcome to the Nursing Department. In this instructional video, you will learn what simulation means for Helena College. We will also review the Simulation Handbook, which will help you as you create, implement, and evaluate simulation experiences for your students. But first, what is simulation? While we could go on and on explaining simulations, let's keep it simple. Simulation is a technique, not a technology, to replace or mimic real clinical experiences in a fully interactive manner. Simulation has many benefits for our students. It allows our students to learn about complex cases in the safe and controlled environment of the simulation lab. Simulation can also give our students the opportunity to practice with rare or emergent clinical cases that they are unlikely to experience while on their rotations. Finally, if done well, simulations can be used to replace clinical time. Up to 50% of required clinical hours per course can be replaced with high-quality simulation experiences. But how can we be sure that our simulations are high quality? It's simple. We follow the best practice standards set forth by the NLN and INACSL. The first step in ensuring that we have a high-quality simulation program is to provide education to the faculty, staff, and students that will be participating in these experiences. There are several online courses or in-person conferences that you can attend to receive formal education in simulation pedagogy. In addition, a policy and procedures manual has been created regarding the use of the simulation lab. This policy and procedures manual will contain expectations for the faculty and staff, the organizational tree, and other important information. Please be sure to review this manual as part of your orientation to Helena College. Students will need to have a brief introduction to the simulation lab in their first semester to prepare them for this unique learning experience. In addition, students will also need to sign a confidentiality agreement, stating that they recognize the need to keep simulation a safe and educational experience for everyone. This confidentiality agreement can be found in your simulation handbook. There are several resources available to you as you start the process of developing a simulation experience. Helena College has resources such as the NLN Simulation Book, as well as EHR Go, which have several prepared scenarios that contain all the necessary components to conduct a high-quality simulation. But sometimes it's nice to create your own, something that will meet the specific needs of your students. If this is the case, look to the Simulation Handbook. This handbook contains resources such as the NLN Simulation Template. This detailed document will guide you to ensuring you have all the necessary equipment, supplies, and faculty resources needed to conduct your scenario. The handbook also contains a student template, which is less exhaustive and can be used as a part of the simulation pre-briefing. Included in this student template is a blank lab values form, as well as an ISBAR form, which could be incorporated into your scenario. Keep in mind, however, to keep simulations focused on learning, these scenarios should never be graded. Also in your simulation handbook, you will find Helena College's debriefing form. This form was modeled from Tanner's clinical judgment model and asked the students to evaluate the 4 aspects of clinical judgment: noticing, interpreting, responding, and reflecting. This form also comes with prompting questions to guide you through this process. Remember, debriefing is the single most important component of the simulation experience. Guide the students through this process and encourage open and reflective discussion. Once your simulation is completed, you will then need to have your students fill out the simulation evaluation form found in the back of the handbook. This one-page questionnaire will provide you with the valuable information on how the students perceive the simulation experience. This information can then be used to continuously improve your scenarios. Simulation is a meaningful tool meant to help students develop key clinical judgment skills. Keep your simulations fun, safe, positive, and encouraging for a new generation of nurses. Thank you for watching, and welcome to Helena College.